Hi everyone, it's Joni here. I hope you're doing well. And today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a lady in a big dress, sunset, wrapping around and just flowing in with flowers. So the bottom of the dress and the flowers are going to become like one. It's going to be intertwined. And we're going to create some really moody lighting, use some complementary colors. So I'm going to start with some yellow and I'm going to just come around in the center here. And just make that a little bit bigger. And then we're going to take pink. Without rinsing our brush off, we're just going to go ahead and start taking that around part of the yellow, making it a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to take some red, yellow, and pink. Let's take all three colors again. Now the next thing I want to do is take some blue, red, and a little bit of black. And we're going to start to sweep Okay, we're going to mix up some light minty turquoise. I'm going to use my flat brush, get a little bit of water in it, and then we're going to take white, yellow, and a bit of blue. And let's just mix that up here and see what shade we get. That's a pretty nice shade. And you can see already, well, hopefully you can see this through your devices, how beautiful these colors look together. So I'm going to just start coming in and lightly go around. Now I've already run out, so I'm going to make some more. I'm going to bring some down here. I'm going to add some white. Cover that little corner up. Some of this red, blue, and black. And we're not really going to see very much of her face, okay? Just don't worry about eyes, nose, and mouth and all that. Just a little bump for the forehead, a little bump for the nose, and then the rest is just going to be her head and hair. And we're going to just start having her hair come out, just wiggle like it's blowing in the wind. Bring up the forehead and the top of her head a little bit. And then we'll come in with her waist, or back down into her waist. About an inch. A lot to get used to. Okay, now I'm going to take the blue, yellow, and white, a little bit more blue, a Love this color. And so pretty with the red and the oranges. Let's add a little back to her dress. See how it twists around? Let's take a little bit more blue, a little bit more yellow. I'm going to gradually take more and more blue and pink and less white. The bigger flowers are going to be here, more so in the foreground. Okay, these are just little ones or farther away when I just make them smaller like that. Okay, and then fuller. Fuller brush strokes, just using a little bit more pressure for these ones down here. So we get that sense of farther away, little ones. And then larger ones. This painting has a whimsiness feel about it for sure. I'm going to add a little bit more blue, a bit of yellow, white again. Okay, so just kind of going back and forth with all those cool tones, purples, turquoises, and blues down here. And that fiery sunset just sets it all off. Little touches of white in here. Okay, this painting is all done. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all back here tomorrow for the next video. Bye!